How to fix a mouse not working on a Windows 11 laptop. This tutorial shows you how to troubleshoot when your mouse stops responding. First, check if your mouse's power switch is turned on, if it's a wireless mouse. After that, unplug and reconnect the USB receiver or cable into a different port on your laptop. From there, if you're using a wireless mouse, check or replace its batteries. At this point, if it's still not working, use your laptop's touchpad to navigate instead. In the next step, right-click on the Start menu using your touchpad. Following this, click on Device Manager. Once done, expand Mice and Other Pointing Devices. From here, right-click on your mouse listed there, then select Update Driver. At this stage, select Search Automatically for Drivers, and let Windows look for the correct one online. Keep in mind, if your mouse still isn't detected at all in Device Manager, try connecting it to a different laptop to check if the issue is with the mouse itself or your original laptop. Finally, restart your laptop once any driver updates finish installing, then test your mouse again to confirm it's working. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix a mouse not working on a Windows 11 laptop, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.